Welcome back to Diecast Race Wars, Heat 4. Heat 3 saw the Hot Wheels boys driving the BMW M4 go through. Let's look at our drivers today. First up we have Mark D of CRC Racing driving the Renault Sport. And up next we have Hot Car Track in the McLaren F1 GTR. The first car to win 3 races secures a spot in the semi-finals.
Race 1. Winner, Hot Car Track. Let's go to the replay.
Straight out of the gate, the McLaren ducks in front of the Renault. Nice driving, mate. Clear line into turn 1. Hits the sidewall there and he's got the open track in front of him. Nice driving out of turn 2. Sees the finish line. He says to the Renault, catch me if you can. Winner out of race 1, Hot Car Track driving the mighty McLaren F1 GTR.
Race 2. DNF. Let's go to the replay.
Some tension up top of the track this morning. The Nissan goes out fast. He's got a nice line down the bottom out of turn 1. The F1's right behind him, but he gets pulled up. It's the Renault into turn 2, and they just both collect the side of the track. I don't think these two guys are happy. Well, this doesn't surprise me. The big DNF out of race 2. Let's go again.
Race 3. Winner, Mark D of CRC Racing. Replay.
Neck and neck down the back there, but it's the Renault all over the F1. Perfect line out of turn 1. Sets himself up down Western Straight, heading into turn 2, goes high, slides a bit, sees the finish line. He says to the F1, take this buddy, I've got ya. Well, Mark D of CRC Racing gets his first win on the board driving the Renault Sport. Nice driving, mate.
Race 4. Winner, Hot Car Track. Replay.
I'm noticing a lot of these cars are just doing these little duck-in manoeuvres. I reckon that is fantastic. Look at the F1 go. He's got a choice line into turn 1. He picks up speed going down Mount Western Straight. There's no chance that Renault can catch him from here. He has a look at the finish line. He says to the Renault, take this, mate. I've got my second win on the board. Nice driving by Hot Car Track in the McLaren F1 GTR. 2 wins out of race 4.
Race 5. Winner, Mark D of CRC Racing. Replay.
Nice driving out of the straight on the back there. The Renault is all over the F1. Little nudge there by the F1. Oh, he slams into the wall. It's the Renault all the way. Here comes the F1. Oh no, he's just slid and just missed his opportunity. Nice driving by Mark D of CRC Racing in the Renault Sport. All tied up out of race 5.
Race 6. winner, Mark D of CRC Racing. Replay.
Cheeky move right up the top there by the Renault. Just pushes the F1 out of the way. I think that was a catalyst for this race. However, look what happens here. The bit of a Barney coming out of turn 1, and it's the Renault going backwards. This doesn't happen on Mount Western Raceway. It's the F1 all the way. What happened? Why did he slow down? He was too keen. He thought he had won. And here comes the Renault. Check this out. Wham, bam, thank you, ma'am. I'm going through to the semi-finals. MC, I'm losing my voice.
I've got some strepsils for you, mate.
Well, what can I say? Mark D of CRC Racing, congratulations, mate. It doesn't matter how you win, so long as you win on Mount Western Raceway. Congratulations, Mark D of CRC Racing, driving the Renault Sport. You're off to the semi-finals. And Hot Car Track, it wasn't your day today, mate. You will be back. I'm Hot Car Track, and this is Diecast Race Wars. Thanks for watching.